ridiculously shiny. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting video, and I always wanted to try Cardi B's hair mask. I seen it online like a while ago, about a year ago, and a lot of people were doing it, but I'm one of those naturals that I really don't like to do the most of my hair, especially when I feel like I've got my regimen like together and it kind of works for me. But this hair mask and the benefits are insane, and I do want to see how my wash and go would look, especially since it needs help from the Lord right now, okay? My hair is so dry right now. I do need to clarify it prior to doing any type of hair mask. Otherwise, it's just gonna sit on top of my hair because my hair is actually very way down at the moment. It's just dry, crunchy, crispy, all of that. So we're gonna get into this video. I bought all the ingredients. I hope I bought all the ingredients. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I use and the benefits for each ingredient, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Before I get into this hair mask, don't forget to like the video because it really helps with the algorithm and it would be greatly appreciated. And or subscribe if you want to join the family. But let's get right into this video. So for this mask, you're gonna need honey, argan oil, Jamaican black castor oil, mayo, 2 avocados. You can use 1 avocado if you'd like, but I figured it's not going to be enough for my hair. You also need an egg and olive oil. The last ingredient is something that I've added, and that is eucalyptus oil. I will tell you guys the benefits shortly, but real quick, let me tell you what's up with these ingredients. So the first up on the list of ingredients are the avocados, and these are great sources of biotin. It helps to seal the cuticle cells in your hair, which helps your hair to look smooth and shiny, and it also serves as an anti-breakage solution. So girl, if you are having trouble retaining length, these avocados are a great solution. So the eggs serve as a great nutrient-rich source of vitamins A and E, and it helps to infuse the roots of your hair with vitamins, promoting growth, and it's also a great source of protein. People claim that it repairs damage and reverses hair loss. Girl, you be the judge. And then I'm going to use argan oil. So Cardi B used the Shea Moisture argan oil. That argan oil is so much better because that is pure. That Shea Moisture brand is 100% argan oil. This Agadir argan oil brand has additives. So definitely get the Shea Moisture argan oil because it is pure and 100%. So the argan oil has moisturizing ingredients that fights dandruff and frizz and then adds shine. All the oils should technically add shine, but I know for a fact that one of the benefits of argan oil is that it adds amazing shine. Next up is the Jamaican black castor oil, aka the goat to hair growth. If you know, you know, okay? Jamaican black castor oil moisturizes, strengthens, thickens, and increases blood flow to your scalp, supplying valuable nutrients. It's great for preventing hair breakage and dandruff. We all know olive oil is amazing. Olive oil has large amounts of antioxidants. It penetrates your hair shaft and reduces inflammation and adds shine. And then the honey acts as a humectant and emollient. The humectant property just means that it preserves and retains moisture, and the emollient property means that it softens and smooths your hair shaft. So honey is great for smoothing your hair follicles and adding shine to dull strands. Honey can help restore your natural luster to your hair. So as great as this mask is, I felt that it was missing my secret ingredient that I always use, and that's eucalyptus oil. Y'all remember the Head and Shoulders shampoo, the eucalyptus and tea tree oil one? That's like the only shampoo that works if you have a flaky scalp or dandruff or whatever. That shampoo is the GOAT, okay? One of the main ingredients in that shampoo that assists with dandruff is eucalyptus oil. And this oil is known to stimulate hair growth because of its natural nourishing properties. It soothes and calms your scalp, and it just gives your hair that healthy looking shine. So it's great for hair growth. This is a concentrated bottle that I got from Amazon, so it does need to be diluted. In this case, I'm just adding a few drops to this hair mask. The mayo adds a shine and strengthens your hair from root to tip. This has a high amount of protein due to the egg. It helps to strengthen and thicken your hair follicles, so consistent usage of this is going to be great, guys. Of course, with all of this, your girl missed an ingredient, and that is the banana. So if you do this, also remember to add banana if you wish. So after blending all the ingredients, this is the consistency that the hair mask gave. It was just very watery, a lot more watery than I would have liked, to be honest, but I knew it was about to get messy when I applied this in the bathroom. Okay, so I'm about to go and apply the mask, but I figured I'd just come on here and give you guys a close-up of how dirty my hair is looking. I need to get all the gunk out, otherwise the mask is definitely not going to penetrate my hair. Okay, so before I apply any shampoo to my hair, I always soak my hair with water prior. My hair is a low porosity. I'm not about to just add a clarifying shampoo on top of dry hair. I use the Curlsmith Scalp Recipe Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic Shampoo, and this shampoo is a great clarifying scrubs. It's for all hair types. It has probiotic properties, apple cider vinegar, ginger root, dragon fruit juice, and nettle leaves. It's just a great scrub, and it's also vegan and cruelty free if you're an advocate for that. So I section off my hair and start to apply the mask, and let me tell you guys, this was so messy due to the mask being so watery. I don't know if it's because of the fact that I used 2 avocados instead of 1. I don't know what it is, but it was just very watery, so it was sloppy and it was just getting everywhere. As you guys can see, I make sure to get it through the shaft of my hair and also the roots, because a lot of those ingredients had properties that cater to your scalp's health or the root of your hair. So I made sure to actually massage it into my root so the roots of my hair can benefit from the hair mask as well. Also, I feel like I didn't blend out the avocado enough because there were chunks of avocado in my hair. So make sure you blend it out like so smooth that when it's time to rinse it out, it's very easy to rinse out. So I left my hair in the shower cap for about 40 minutes and I did not use heat. I just used the steam from the shower cap because I don't know if it's a good idea to include heat when raw egg is within the ingredients. So I just wanted to show you guys the first round of me rinsing my hair after the deep conditioner. I feel like I rinsed my hair for like 10 minutes straight and it did not rinse out completely because of the avocado chunks. So like I said, just a quick tip, if you're going to do this, blend out the chunks completely. Like you guys saw that I even used a strong blender, but I should have blended it a lot more because there were chunks of avocado still in my hair, so I had to go back and rinse it out. But you guys can clearly see how shiny my hair is. So I'm gonna do my wash and go, come back, show you guys how it looks, and then let you guys know my thoughts on this hair mask. This is how my hair looks after doing my wash and go. These products have been in my hair for about 2 hours now, and yeah, it looks very, very shiny. For this wash and go, I used the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner and the Eco Styler gel. And as you guys can see, my hair looks very, very shiny and super defined. So here are my thoughts on this mask. To me, this mask is more geared toward a strengthening protein mask. I can definitely see why it assists with hair growth because of all the oils and the avocado. It comes across like a heavy butter, and even when I rinsed it out of my hair felt strong, not so much oily, but it didn't feel as soft as normal. So that's why I'm like categorizing it as a protein treatment. The egg and the mayo consists of a lot of protein, so I can definitely understand that as well. So I will also say that the mask left my hair ridiculously shiny. The oils attributed to that for sure, because it was like a lot of different types of oils in the mask. So I would, I would imagine that it would leave my hair shiny, but I wasn't even expecting how shiny it left my hair. Even when I did my wash and go, I was like, okay, come through shine. When I was doing this mask, it was not easy to finger detangle. Even after rinsing it out, my leave-in conditioner normally goes through really well with other deep conditioners. Like when I'm raking the product through and my hair was like matted. And that goes to show me that I should have thoroughly detangled my hair prior to using this mask. So before you use this mask, definitely detangle your hair all the way through, because it's a lot of heavy oils and heavy like crap that goes in here. You guys saw the ingredients of the mask. Be sure to like thoroughly detangle your hair. I always think like I'm a G when I finger detangle, and I'm gotten so used to like doing it so easily now. But yeah, my hair was matted at some point, so it made it harder, and I had to like stop and like really be careful and separate the strands. So just be careful about that. I feel like I could have also focused on my ends a lot more, because during my wash and go, my ends did come off a little bit more frizzy. Other than that, oh yeah, I'll probably replace my protein treatments. Like maybe do the Alpha G 2-step protein every 12 weeks instead of every 6 weeks. and then do this mask every 4 to 6 weeks, just in place of my protein treatment, because my hair does feel extremely strengthened. I definitely feel like consistently using this mask, it's for sure gonna aid in my hair growth. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!